Well, here we are at the entrance of Woodhill Hooksett Road in Bow. It's about 9 o'clock on a August sunny morning. Temperature is about 63 degrees, and we're going to explore this little road in Bow. Like a lot of abandoned roads, it starts out with pavement, houses, and a sign that says no outlet. My last attempt was late in the evening, about 7 o'clock, a couple of days ago. And I got about halfway down this road and my GoPro quit, and I didn't realize it until I got home. So we'll see if I have better luck this time. This is typical coming up here of older homes right up close to the road. The barn is right close by. And we just entered some gravel. There are still houses along here. And we have a little wetland off to the left. A swamp, a bog. You call it the way you like. It's an open area with no trees, a lot of water, and a lot of grass and bush. Alright, coming up here, up ahead, is the official end of the road, I'm sure. Little turnaround parking lot. There's a trailhead. Notting Cook Forest, town of Bow. There's a little hiking trail up into the woods. And also the sign of not a town-maintained road. Pass at your own risk. The other day when I was coming through, I had the sun in my face. Now I got it at my back, which should make for better video. Trails off to the side. Another little bog off to the right. And one up there. I really don't like water, especially muddy water. So I try to go around them whenever I can. Sometimes you can't help but go through it. We're currently filming with an old GoPro Hero-2 camera. Had it for quite a while. It's kind of finicky. Sometimes it takes good pictures and sometimes it doesn't. Had better visibility of the road the other day. And we got a little bit of rocky road ahead. Yeah, got through that. I don't know where that goes. Probably a logging area. Looks like somebody's been out through there. There's ruts. Roads off this all kinds of places. I don't know if this is coming out, but there's some pretty tough ledge here. I didn't see that fence down there the last time, but I was probably moving along. Snowmobile trails. That one says Junction, Natticook Trail, Corridor 2. Off to the left to Trail 372 on the right. All kinds of water crossings here. Whoop. A little bit of a trench there. Got lined up wrong for that. With all these shadows, it's kind of hard to spot these rocks sticking up. Alright, this is where I stopped the last time. And that's where I discovered my GoPro wasn't working. But currently, I've got about 15 minutes on this tape. I'll play the other video over here a little bit because right up in there, there's an outhouse somebody put up. I don't know if they camp up there or what. All right, I had a GoPro camera malfunction, but hopefully it's recording. We'll see. In the meantime, let's get away from these damn mosquitoes. Made that one. Okay, we should be coming out at the end here pretty quick. Yep. I came in from the other side earlier today. Came down to this spot here and looked down and saw all that rough going. And I said, do I do it? Turned my camera on and the camera didn't work. So I ended up going home after supper. Figured I'd come back out here. So now we're on the west end of Woodhill Road. Another old barn right up close to the road. And more houses and civilization. That's the typical back road in New Hampshire. Both ends of it are civilized. The middle is left to be wild.